Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Chevy Impala Premier 2LZ. This one is black. Underneath it's a 3.6 V6 with 305 horsepower and 264 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Impala badging on the side. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler, Premier badging in the back, V6, clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, Bose sound system, power windows, steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for the radio, dual climate controls, wireless charging, automatic transmission, heated seats. This Impala has 34,951 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Chevy Impala Premier, visit us at feldmanimports.com.